odd shirt. Play with sticks like very odd parents. Carry that man like a Paul Burr. Shooters with me and they all curtains.
Come take a look at this real quick. So we say it should be okay with this on him.
Okay.
Now, do you want it around his neck, or do you want it around his arm?
For me, I'd be fine with it around the. Is he on mine or is he on Margot's?
No,
I'm guessing.
Margot's.
I'd be fine with it on the wrest personally, but I'd want it on the inside wrist, whatever seat he's in.
Right.
But beyond that, I would have no problems with that. And if you
Okay.
guys are good with that, I'm sure Margot will be as well.
Margot, there she is. Can you just advise him where do you want his tether to be on?
Oh, that should be around your neck.
There you go.
So it has to be around the neck just for safety reasons.
Okay?
Oh my goodness. You can't even see my face. Oh my god. Nigga gotta hold this one. Yeah. Hopefully we get the best footage we can get while we're on the helicopter with this damn thing. Let's get it going, man. Let's get this vlog started. We're gonna see a crazy amount of stuff. Look at this. Look at this. This is all the places we're gonna see on the flight. All the crazy places. Hopefully you guys can see it clear. But I think I'm going to her tomorrow. This is crazy. Look at that. That's crazy.
First, please follow me.
Damn. I get to go first.
Take your time on the steps, please. There's a pedal right here. It's low in the center, so you want to duck as you're sliding all the way over to the other side.
Yes, ma'am. Oh.
Seatbelt will be on your left. Then it's like a car seatbelt. Sorry, right on your left. So he's probably gonna have the camera up to his face the whole time.
Oh, alright, okay.
Do you normally wear sunglasses?
No.
Okay.
I
Just
very rarely wear
Okay.
sunglasses.
Talk button if you like. Just hold and touch your head while you're talking.
Yeah.
Hold it up a little more. And bring the mic close to your mouth.
Yeah.
Bring the mic a little closer to your mouth, please.
Oh, okay. Hello? Oh. Is it working?
Okay, there you go. Perfect. So that's it. So seatbelt like a car seatbelt. Buckle is right. I like to leave a little bit of slack.
D-Mark got that heat.
They gon' slide with me. They gon' ride with me. Whatever I do, they gon' like whatever I do, they gon' like whatever I do. Like whatever I do, they come after me. My young niggas play ball, they know athletes. If you wait on my fall, you can have a seat. I'ma give them my all till they casting me. They giving up on me, thought I had fell off. Take a loss, bounce back, I'm a big dog. Been chopping the steppers since this small. Now they on my dick, they won't get off. That fake shit, I can't stand it. Tough shit to get your man's hit. Every day taking felony chances. Run it up, put it up, rubber band. That fake shit, I can't stand it. That tough shit to get your man's hit. Every day taking felony chances. Run it up, put it up, rubber band. I'm taking risks out the bricks. I told my son ain't a real, you gon' win. Know them niggas that treat me like thugs. See it's crazy, they give me the scripts. I can't fall, I can't trip off the beat.
Sure. I think I got everything. Alright. Ah, that helicopter ride was crazy. It's crazy. this car. Oh, you can't see me. Helicopter ride was stupid crazy. Listen to this. Yeah, helicopter ride was amazing. Yeah, my legs hurting, my ass hurt too, sitting on that damn thing for too goddamn long on that goddamn helicopter. But yeah, we living. You know what I mean? We living. That was a dope experience. You know, Hawaii is very amazing. You know, Hawaii is very, very amazing. This place is very beautiful. Like, I seen some parts on the helicopter that looked like I was in Jurassic Park. I'm like, what the heck? Man, it looked crazy dope. Anyway, I'm about to go home, shower, rest for about 2 hours, because I gotta go somewhere. So I'm gonna rest for about 2 hours. And then I'm gonna call it a day, man. I'm gonna see y'all in tomorrow's vlog. Peace.